What if I told you the one thing you think is harmless is silently destroying your confidence, draining your energy, and making you weak? Yes, I'm talking about masturbation. Not because it's evil, but because it's addictive, compulsive, and distracting you from the man you were meant to become. By the end of this video, you'll know why you feel empty after doing it and why most men never reach their full potential. Because they're stuck in a cycle of pleasure that leads nowhere. Let's get real. Number 1. The pleasure trap. Masturbation isn't just a release, it's a chemical trap. Every time you do it, your brain releases a surge of dopamine, the same drug released when people take cocaine. The result? You feel high for a moment, then it crashes. You feel tired, guilty, unmotivated. And then, to feel good again, you go back, again and again. This is how addiction starts. Now you're no longer chasing goals, you're chasing orgasms. Number 2, the effect on your mind. Let's talk about your brain. Heavy masturbation and porn consumption shrink your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for self-control and discipline. That's why you start struggling to focus. Your memory gets worse. Motivation? Gone. Confidence? Fake. You begin to see women as objects, not people. You become socially anxious, emotionally numb, and sexually weak. That's not who you were created to be. Number 3, the effect on your body. Your body follows your mind. Masturbation depletes zinc, testosterone, and life force. You feel lazy, tired, uninspired. Ever wondered why you don't feel like hitting the gym anymore? Can't hold eye contact? Lose your edge in conversations? It's because your body knows you're wasting energy that was meant to build you. You're supposed to be sharp, focused, energized. Instead, you're numbing yourself with temporary highs. Number 4, the spiritual cost. You might not be religious, but your soul knows when something is wrong. After a session, you feel shame, emptiness, regret. Why? Because deep down, your spirit is built for connection, not endless self-pleasure. You're supposed to conquer, build, grow, but instead you're in hiding, behind a screen, with your pants down. Number 5, stories of regret. Let me tell you about Richard. He was 19 when he discovered porn. By 25, he couldn't talk to women anymore. He felt numb, lazy, lonely. He tried therapy. Nothing worked until he quit masturbation. 60 days later, he was working out, dating, and running a small business. His words? Quitting was the hardest thing I ever did, but staying addicted was worse. You don't have to hit rock bottom before you change. Number 6, how to break free. Here's how to quit it and never go back. Step 1, identify the triggers. When are you most tempted? Boredom, loneliness, stress? Step 2, replace the habit. Go for a walk, call a friend, hit the gym, take cold showers. Do something hard that builds you up. Step 3, track your streak. Use an app or notebook. Every day counts. Step 4, focus on your mission. What's your bigger why? Build a business, learn a skill, become a man of value. You'll be shocked how powerful you feel when you're in control of yourself. What happens when you quit? Within 7 days, your energy returns. You start sleeping better. You feel sharper, more masculine. By day 30, you walk differently, talk differently. Women notice, not because you chased them, but because you became a man of discipline. No more guilt, no more shame, just clarity, purpose, power. This isn't a sacrifice, and it's a transformation. If you've made it this far, you already know. You were meant for more, so stop wasting your strength. Stop begging your lower self to behave. This is your call to action, to take back your time, your power, and your future. Join the movement. Become a man of control. Like this video if it woke you up. Comment "no more wasting energy" below. Subscribe for more real talk that makes you stronger. See you in the next video. Stay focused, stay powerful,